Yeah, get into it. Get into it. Yeah, get into it. Get into it. Hey, I'm Maya. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing a get ready with me. First, I'm starting off with my makeup, and I'm using the e.l.f. primer. This is the first product that I'm going to be using. I like it so far, but I'm going to give it a 7 out of 10. Next product, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I usually use the NARS foundation, but I ran out, so I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me today. Next, I'm going in with the Maybelline concealer. This is in the shade 30. It does have a name labeled on the container. I just forgot the name of it, but I will link it down below in the description box. So I'm just starting off under my eyes, and then I'm going to go in on the nose. Just a little highlight here and there, and then I'm going to blend it all out. This is my go-to setting powder. I love, love, love Laura Mercier setting powder. It's very light, but it gets the job done and it leaves a flawless look afterwards. So I'm just going to go in under my eye, a little around the face, and then I'm going to let it sit. This next product, this is by Juvia's Place. This is a bronze palette. This is just to bring some color back to the face. This is more of a medium brown tone. I like it so far. That's the only shade that I use. I usually use the top sometimes, but more of the darker shade at the bottom. But I just go in and add a little bit. Not too much. And also, I just forgot to mention that this makeup look is a soft, natural beat that we're going for today. I've been leaning more towards the soft glam look these days. It's it just fits me better. I like the look more than the dramatic makeup looks. I try not to put too much because a little goes a long way. So natural will always be best for me. I don't know about anybody else, but this is a very soft natural glam look. So what I just did was I took some of the bronzer and I'm just putting it in the crease of my eye just to give it my eyes some color, some warmth. So that's all I'm doing here, and I'm just, brushing it out, smoothing it down, and then I'm gonna apply some to on the bridge of my nose, not on the bridge of my nose, but on the side of my nose, so we can get that shape in there, but a soft shape. Now right here, I just took a brown eyeshadow and I'm just gonna deepen the crease in a little bit more. So that's all I'm doing. This product I use a little under my eye just to brighten my eye up a little bit more. I already applied it, but this is what I use, and this is by Jaclyn Hill. And this is her eye brightening powder. Next, I'm going in with some blush. I'm applying this on my cheeks, and I'm going to apply a little bit on my nose. So I'm just fluffing it out. Now I'm just going in with some mascara because I do not wear false lashes. I am next going in with the Morphe setting spray. I love Morphe setting spray. They have the best setting spray, and this is water based and it's coconut, I believe. Now I'm going in with highlighter last, and it looks gross, but I'm going in with my favorite highlighter palette, and I'm just putting a little on my cheekbones and nose and under my eyebrow. This is Valore Beauty. This is my brand. Very soon I'll be launching my products, so this is what I'm using on my lips today. This is a lip oil, and it's very, very moisturizing. So just watch me put it on. I've been using this for, I want to say, almost a month, probably over a month. But I love this product, like, and it's mine. It's mine. So, oh my God, I'm just so excited because I love this stuff. But just watch. And then the applicator is really soft. It's so soft. Like it's, feels like butter on your skin. Like, okay. It's very moisturizing. I love this stuff. So stay tuned for that. Had to add a second layer. Like, look at my lips. Like, what? What? Do y'all see that? Do y'all see this? Valore Beauty on the lips. It's coming. She coming. My girl coming. My girl is coming. She's coming. I'm obsessed with this stuff. And it smells so good. Like, oh my, this is mine. I birthed this. All right. Anyway, stay tuned on that. More products coming along with the lip oil. This is lip oil. I have my secret ingredients in here. But there's one ingredient that sets this off, but stay tuned for that. I just wanted to show you guys something that I'm working on. So yeah, stay tuned. And this is how you do a natural beat. Oh, let me take my scarf off. So y'all, my hair, hold on, I need a comb. So the outfit I'm wearing today, I want to wear my hair down like this, but I have like a little scarf. There's cotton in my hair, but I have a scarf. Well, not a scarf. It's like a little. It's a scarf, but. And I have no edge control. It's just so flowy and bouncy. But I would definitely wear my hair like this. But there's this this thing I want to put on my head that goes so good with the outfit. So I just want you guys to stay tuned. I don't know. Now I want to wear my hair like this since my makeup is done. I don't know. Like, oh my God, I love my hair like this. I love a natural hairstyle. Like, it looks like my hair. But, should I wear my hair like this, y'all, or should I put the thing on my head? Because the thing that I'm putting on my head goes with the outfit. I meant to take a razor comb and like do the sides, but I'm not doing that today. I'll do that tomorrow. But yeah. And it's full. It don't even look full. I need some edge control because I have none. But yeah, this is the face beat. The face is beats. Yes, this is a soft natural beat. Soft and natural. Yeah, Get into it. Get into it. Yeah, get into it. Get into it. Y'all, I just noticed the side. Oh, this side. I don't know what the hell I just did, but you can see like a streak right there. Like, what the I think I did that when I took my scarf off. I'm not sure, but anyways, the hair, the body. Get into the hair. Let's get into it. Oh, the hair is beauty. Fuck. It's giving body. And I cut this, so I don't think I did the best job at cutting it. But I mean, I still want it to look, I wanted it to look natural. And there's layers, a little bit of layers, not a lot. It's just, you really can't see it or can't tell, but yeah. Yeah. All right, let's get dressed. See the outfit, girl, because the outfit, you want to see the outfit? You ready to see the outfit? Are you ready for the fit? Is y'all ready for the fit? Because the fit about that. Okay, let me stop touching my face. I think I accidentally just, Anyways. Let's go put the outfits on.